Hi, welcome to the Ximedica TechForum. We hope this commentary encourages discussion in the medical device industry. This category is about materials. The first technology comes from University of Washington and a partnership with Disney, which they're calling Paper ID. And it's essentially a way to make paper more interactive using off-the-shelf RFID tags that have been attached to paper and provide an interactive gesture-based interface like we've come to expect with our screens. And in doing so, provides multiple capabilities, including potentially controlling music, as well as offering live polling. And through an antenna on a separate device across the room, it can read those individual RFID tags as they are touched and played with. The next material is a way to better detect your exposure to sun through a paper-based sensor that is printed with ink. This comes from folks in Australia who are very aware of the importance of sun exposure. And how this basically works is a combination of 3D printing using an inkjet printer where the ink is made from titanium dioxide, polyvinyl pyrrolidone, PVV, and a food dye. And so how this works is that the photocatalyst methodology essentially degrades the food dye, and in doing so degrades the coloration of the ink. Visually, the user knows when they should get out of the sun or apply more sunscreen. An interesting capability that can have some useful applications as you start thinking about paper-based labeling on suntan lotion bottles, for example. The third and last material is the idea of self-repairing dielectrics from an academic team at Penn State. A dielectric is essentially a material that insulates electric current. So it's what we perceive as the kind of a plastic around an electric cord. Now, these dielectrics are typically made from plastic sheeting covered in boron nitride, which is used because it's great at resisting electricity. Researchers have found that by adding a hydrogen bond to this boron nitride, it enables the material to actually heal itself after it's been cut because an electrostatic charge pulls the hydrogen bonds together. And the healed material has an ability to restore its strength, supporting up to 200 grams of weight after 30 minutes. So it's almost a kind of organic material. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching, listening, and coming on in.